Through the series of JavaScript simple project, today we're going to create this background color setter using JavaScript. As you see here, I have an input type, and when I click on it, it's going to generate a color for my background color. So when I keep on clicking, it's going to generate a color for the web page. And using this, you can enable user to choose his or her favorite color to your web page and enjoy watching your website. So let's create that, but before we start writing codes, make sure to subscribe my channel for more videos just like this one. So I'm gonna say HTML, and inside this is the title tag. I'm gonna give it a title, so I say color setter. Now we're gonna declare input types. I say input type, and its type is going to be a range. I'm gonna give it an ID of color, and a main value of 0, and the max value of 999999. So now if I save it in the browser, it's a lot smaller than that one. So I'm gonna say style, and using the width property. So I say width, and I'm gonna give it width of 400 pixel. Now it's time to write its JavaScript. So I'm gonna say a script, and inside this we're gonna access this input type. So I say const color, and assign it to the document dot get element by ID, and its ID is color. So we're gonna call the color and add an event listener to it. So I say add event listener, and whenever the user click on, it's going to call a callback function for it. So I say function, and inside this function we're gonna access the body of the web page. So I'm gonna say document dot body dot from the body we're gonna access the style property, and from the style property we want to access the background color property and assign it to. So here is important. I open up a backtick here, and inside this I'm gonna pass the hash. You know that when you wanted to generate a color, you have two choices to make, three choices to put the name of the color, or use the hash, or using the RGB color. So I'm gonna pass the hash here, because a hash, when you wanted to generate a hash a color using the hash, you put a number like this. So here I'm gonna pass the we wanted to get the value from this input type. So I'm gonna say $, and inside this we're gonna say color using this here, and we wanted to get the value of the color. So I'm gonna say color dot value. Now everything is fine, and we have to close up the backtick. So I'm gonna say here pass the backtick to close this off. So now if I save it and go to the browser, now if I click on, it's going to generate like this. So hope you enjoy, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye.